Hello guys, welcome to my channel, NexTutorial. Today I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 or Galaxy Note 9. These steps will work on either one, but I'm going to be using a Galaxy Note 8 today to do the factory reset or hard reset. What you will need to do, you will need to hold the power key, the special key, and the volume up key. You will need to hold them at the same time. When the phone powers on, release the power key and keep holding the other two until the Android logo comes up. Once this installing system update screen come up, it will go through some kind of like installs, and it will take you to a no command screen. The no command screen will take about a minute to two to take you to the recovery screen. So we just have to wait until the recovery screen come up. There you go. So what you'll need to do to navigate through this menu, you will need to use the volume down key to scroll down to wipe factory reset the device, and you press the power key to confirm the reset. Then scroll down to yes. It will wipe and format the phone. Scroll down again to wipe cache partition and press the power key once again down to yes. Then the power key to restart your device, and this should be it. The phone is going to be back to factory settings, and it's going to be on the setup menu just like when you buy the device. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching.